Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so hi, my name is Rachel. My topic is climate change effects on humans. I clicked the wrong button. Okay, so this is my background information. So I have climate change versus global warming because that's often what people get confused on. Climate change is an increased level of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by fossil fuels, and it can be cold or warm, and it's not just the temperature. However, global warming is a greenhouse effect, which means that the atmosphere traps heat from the earth, and the gases prohibit the earth from being released, and that's more of a temperature thing. My research question is, in the end, what effects is climate change going to do to humans' health and day-to-day lives? And then does this matter? I said it matters because we need to be more aware of what we are doing that's going to affect our future. My thesis is climate change will negatively affect/impact humans because of the rise of sea levels, ocean acidification, more frequent hurricanes, and of course the rise of global temperatures. So here are my pictures. I have a picture of the rise of the sea level, ocean acidification, which means like the coral died, a hurricane for more frequent hurricanes, and then the image of what the earth looks like today because of the rise of the global temperatures. Okay, my first claim is the rise of sea levels. If the sea level rose to 10 feet, as it is predicted by NASA, thousands of people will be forced out of their homes, losses of jobs because they can't get to where they need to go, the change of the economy because of those losses of jobs. An example would be the Chesapeake Bay crab farmers/catchers, because if they can't get to their job, how are they supposed to do it? Another thing would be the rise of invasive species. Since the sea level is rising, that means that it would push the coast inward, more inland. So many of the aquatic animals that live in the ocean there, they'd have to be forced to move forward. And then it would either also cause death and poverty because many families won't have the income that they would have. My second claim is ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease of pH values in the Earth's oceans caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Ocean acidification kills off the coral reefs by not being able to calcify organisms, which would cause a decline in the coral reef's tourist business. That would result in the loss of billions of dollars of income. And it would mainly affect tropical locations such as Hawaii, Punta Cana, Bora Bora, stuff like that. And that would affect the economy. My third claim is the more frequent hurricanes and stronger hurricanes will be more devastating to the human race because they're going to be stronger and more devastating, of course. The hurricane season, which is from June 1st to November 30th, will become longer. And couple facts I found on this was 15 above average hurricanes, including Hurricane Michael, a Category 5, had winds up to 160 miles per hour, killing 70 people. And since 1970, there's been an average of 6 Atlantic hurricanes per year. So as you can see that the hurricanes are becoming more frequent, and they also are becoming more devastating. And my fourth claim is the rise of global temperatures. So the rise of global temperatures is that the Earth is heating up slowly. The Earth has risen about 1.62 degrees since 2016. It is causing the shrinking of the glaciers and the ice sheets in the Arctic. Within 85 years of today, about 1/3 of the planet will be without fresh water as a result of this. And in 2016, there was a new record high for the hottest year ever. And it also said that from to July to August, it was also the hottest months on record. And also another result of this would be 40% of the Amazon would be destroyed. And then my conclusion is climate change is an increased level of atmospheric What is climate change? Climate change is an increased level of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by fossil fuels, and this is important. This is an important global issue that can negatively affect humans' day-to-day lives. There are 4 major issues that would hurt humans. They are the rise of sea levels, ocean acidification, more frequent and severe hurricanes, and of course the rise of global temperature.